actually sold her wedding ring. Hess actually sold her wedding ring. Mark Hess gave up all of his savings because this house was sinking. You can see this line that shows how deeply this side of the house sunk into the ground. And then up here, take a look at the steps. When this cement was poured, this step reached all the way up to this part of the front entryway. The entire house, a metaphor for a family's dream sinking.
The dream was to bring these blended families together and to have a place where we could just be a family.
We just moved into this new home, and we've been planning this for years, and I sunk everything I had into it, and I'm literally hearing it break apart and move. And I believe it was that front porch right there where I ran outside and I was screaming at the sky to stop raining, and I was in a panic, an absolute sheer panic.
Panic with clear reason. Nice. The whole house breaking in three, some of it sinking into the earth. The porch pulling away from the home. The dinette tilting and sliding away from the kitchen. Windows shattering in the night.
One time I came in here to get after one of my kids because I thought they were just slammed in cupboards, you know. And I think nobody was here. I was alone.
I can say this was the most stressful case I've ever done in 22 years of practicing law. Kept me up at nights. I'm sure it affected my health.
Stephen Quessenberry kept on the case years after the Hesses ran out of money. The lawyer for Richard Allen, the developer of Canberra Properties, says they will try to fight longer.
We were obviously disappointed. We disagree with some of the analysis in the court's decision, and we're going to ask the court to reconsider some of the things in their decision.
It's a fading hope for the developer and for the Hesses after 6 years, the possibility of repairing the home and all that's crumbled with it.
It's actually caused, you know, relationships to be hurt, and, you know, it's instead of bringing us together, it's almost torn us apart.
Nice. The Supreme Court's decision was unanimous. They saw things the Hesses' way, but they still might not see all of that $3 million. 65% of it is supposed to come from the Canberra company. The Hesses and their attorney say that that company at this point looks like it's just a shell. Live in Linden, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.
All right, thank you, Max.